Unit 3. Listening. Page 24. Exercise 4.
Where did you go on your cooking holiday?
I flew to Lyon and met the group there. We then travelled by coach to the small village of Chassagny, where we stayed for a week in an old house. The house was lovely, and we had the cooking lessons in the kitchen.
Who was the teacher?
There was a young woman called Margot. She was really friendly. She taught most of the lessons. And also her father, Daniel. He was a chef, so he helped with the teaching.
It sounds great. I also went on a cooking holiday last year to Italy.
Really? What did you learn?
We learnt about baking bread and making cakes, and there were 2 lessons on other desserts. I wanted to learn how to make biscuits, but there wasn't enough time.
Was it difficult?
At first it was, but I loved meeting everyone, talking about food, learning and cooking. And of course, we could eat everything we made. That was the best thing.